Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix the issue where your laptop goes black but it's still running and how to fix it. This is an updated tutorial to my previous tutorial, and of course in this one I've added more tips to actually help you out and of course updated to the latest laptop. So this is my laptop. Doesn't really matter the brand, it happens to all of them. That's Asus, Acer, Dell's, you name it, Samsung's, all of them, it tends to happen too. And of course with the issue, you know the laptop is still running because the screen is black or blank, but if you look very carefully, there's most likely still light on the display. But a reliable way to tell, if you have a backlit keyboard, these keys will be still lit. This is not a backlit keyboard, but one way to tell, look at the sides of the laptop and there's a light that's right here. It's a little bit faint. It usually indicates that the device has activity. And you can actually see from this side that while it's black, there's the backlight still on the screen, but you can see the light here. So there's a LED light that shows hard drive activity and show that the device is actually powered or still working. All right, so if you're having this problem, this is how you deal with it. All right, so the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and you're going to find these keys on your keyboard. You're going to find the control key. Let me try to show you as best as possible. So you're going to find this key, the control key, the alt key, and of course the delete key, which is this one up here. You're gonna press all three at the same time. So you're gonna hold down all three. So hold down all three. Sorry, I can't show you at the same time while holding the camera. So you're gonna hold all three and press and hold. All right, so I'm gonna find all three keys. So hover your fingers over all three. So you can actually see me doing all three. That's Control, Alt, and Delete. You're gonna press all three at the same time. So 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. If nothing happens, you're going to press them simultaneously, meaning you're going to hold your fingers. It depends on the device. So you're going to do Control, then Alt, then Delete. So like 1, 2, 3. So hold down Control, then Alt, then Delete. So Control, Alt, then Delete. So Control, Alt, Delete. Do not let go once you start holding, meaning hold down Control first, then Alt, then Delete. So it's like 1, 2, 3. So that's press Control, do not let go, press Alt, do not let go, and press Delete. All right, once you do, you should be here at this particular screen. And of course, from here, you have some options. In this case, it's most likely that either one, the interface crashed of the UI, which is the user interface, or of course, something is happening. So what you want to do from here is you can go ahead, guys, and you can go to sign out, which will bring you back to the login screen, and then you can log back in and everything will be refreshed. Or you can go to Task Manager, and if you know your way around Windows, you can actually close background tasks, but I either suggest that you sign out, or of course you can go ahead and do a system reboot of the computer by using here and restarting. All right, so I'm going to say sign out for now, so you can go ahead and lock or sign out. So I'm going to say sign out. And what this app doing now is that whatever was crashed, it should give the system time to refresh. And of course, doing a reboot could also help. So I'm going to sign out. So everything is signed out and whatever was stopped should now be fixed. I'm going to re-enter. All right, so I've signed back in. So I'm going to say remind me later. And of course it loads. So whatever was causing the problem by doing. All right, so whatever was causing the problem is now gone. So what I'm going to do is, all right, so that should fix the problem. So either logging out, locking the computer. I'd suggest logging out so everything gets refreshed, or doing a selecting power and power off. All right, if the problem still persists and that didn't work, or you're not getting that screen I showed earlier, I'm just showing you what to do here. You're going to locate your power button. Let me show you again with the keys. This is this button. Notice the power symbol. All right, so what you're going to do from here, guys, you're going to locate that power button and you're going to press and hold for about 15 seconds. Hold the power button, so press and hold. You're going to count to about 15. You're going to wait until you hear no fan noises. And about 15, probably 20 seconds to be sure. There you go. And what's going to happen is that the fans will wind down, no light here, no light up there. And of course, now when you press power again for about a few seconds, let go. And that's it. All right, you may have to do that more than once because sometimes the system actually goes into sleep versus restarting. So the idea is that you want to do a total restart as seen here. And this should fix the problem completely. So the system is going to restart. Then from here, you're going to log back in and everything should be good. Here we are at the login screen. Go ahead and enter your password. All right, so that's it. And now up and running again. Hope that helped, guys, and see you in the next one. If you have any comments, you can ask below. See you in the next one. Bye.